My name is Ananya Tiwari and I have made this alpha particle structure which shows the Rutherford's experiment which he has done to prove that atoms have space in them and they have a particle which is known as nuclei. So mainly in this experiment he has used a helium nuclei alpha particles, and then he has placed a ZnS sheet here, and inside this there is a gold foil, and around this too there is a ZnS sheet. So when we will pass these helium nuclei alpha particles through this, they will pass through this ZnS sheet, and after from this we can and here he noticed that green fluent traces are being formed, which when strike the gold foil, they spread it into different directions, or they deflected into different directions. Some of the rays passed directly through this gold foil, and rarely one or two rays came back on the path. Through this, he concluded that atoms have space in them, and they have a
particle
which is known as
inside them, which are known as
nucleus.
Afterwards, he researched over it. So this is a production of electricity from wind energy. So when the wind blows, the turbines starts to rotate. The turbine with windmills blade starts to rotate. From this, after the back of this, in real there was an armature is placed in which from which the wind energy is converted into the electrical energy, and then it is produced. It will form electricity is produced, and it was supplied in our homes.
ये भी है।
हाँ.
ये फुलरीन का मॉडल है, और ये C16 एटम से फॉर्म होता है, जो कि कार्बन के एटम्स होते हैं, और इसमें 16 कार्बन एटम्स होते हैं,
60 कार्बन एटम्स होते हैं। इसके अंदर 12 पेंटागन्स और 20 हेक्सागन्स। इसको W.H. क्रोटो ने ढूंढा था।
और बकमिंस्टर फुलरीन एक अमेरिकन आर्किटेक्ट हैं जिन्होंने सेम एक ऐसे जियोइड डोम बनाया था जिसका स्ट्रक्चर सेम फुलरीन के स्ट्रक्चर से था, तो उसका नेम उनके नेम पे बकमिंस्टर फुलरीन पड़ा।
और ये फुटबॉल की शेप में होता है और अंदर से पूरा मतलब खाली होता है, इसलिए स्ट्रक्चर होता है। दिस इज द सेम थिंग।
ओके, थैंक यू।